people, today we are going to learn Pythagoras Theorem. Pythagoras was a scientist and a mathematician. He gave us Pythagoras Theorem. So, what is Pythagoras Theorem and where is it used? Pythagoras Theorem is applicable to right-angled triangles. What is a right-angled triangle? Suppose we take a triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, we see that angle B is 90 degree and 90 degree angle is also called a right angle. So triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Now in triangle ABC, as you can see, the side opposite to the right angle, that is the side opposite to angle B, is called hypotenuse. So in the given triangle AC is hypotenuse and AB and BC are the two other sides. So what does Pythagoras theorem say? Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the two sides of a right angle triangle is equal to the square of its hypotenuse. That is, if we apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, it states that AB square plus BC square is going to be equal to AC square. Now how is this possible? For this we have a proof here. Over here you can see in the figure. See, if there is a triangle with sides 3, 4 and hypotenuse 5, you see that we have drawn squares. This is a square of side 3. So as you can see, its area is going to be 9 blocks. You see, there are 9 blocks in this square. It has side 3. This square has 16 blocks, which is square of 4, side 4. So you see, if hypotenuse is 5, what Pythagoras theorem states? That h square should be f square plus g square. That is, 5 square should be 3 square plus 4 square. Mathematically also you can see that 25 is equal to 9 plus 16. Also, if you count the number of units in this square, it is 25, which is 9 plus 16. So we have proved that what Pythagoras theorem says is true. So now we can also use Pythagoras theorem to verify if a given triangle is right angle triangle, because all the right angle triangles are going to satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Now let us look at some questions. See the first question here. We have to determine if the following triangles are right angle triangles or not. So we can verify this by seeing if the given triangle satisfies the Pythagoras theorem or not. Let us mark its vertices as A, B, C. So in question 1, if ABC is a right angle triangle, it is going to satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. That is, in that case, AB square plus BC square should be equal to AC square. If this is true, then the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Let us put the values. AB is given as 11. BC is 15 meters and this should be equal to 18.6 meters square. Let us see what this value is. 11 square is 121, 15 square is 225 and this comes out to be 346. Also, let us see if 18.6 square is 346 or not. 18.6 square is 345.96, which is not equal to 346, which means that the given triangle ABC is not a right angle triangle. Okay, let us look at the second part. In the second part, as you can see, as I have marked, what is going to be the hypotenuse? Here AB is the hypotenuse, since C is the right angle triangle and the side opposite to angle C is AB. So here AB is the hypotenuse. So what is going to be the statement of Pythagoras theorem? AC square plus BC square should be equal to AB square. Now let us see what AC square plus BC square is. AC is given as 4 meter, BC is given as 2 meter. As you can see, this comes out to be 20. And what AB square is? AB is given as 6 meter, which when squared give 36, which is not equal to 20. Therefore, this triangle is also not a right angled triangle. See the next type of problem. Here we are given that these are right angle triangles. How do we know that these are right angle triangles? Because they have given one angle as 90 degree. If any one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, that means it is a right angle triangle. So they are going to satisfy Pythagoras theorem. So see, look at the question number 3. Here hypotenuse is 9 meter and one side is A, other is 6 meter. So according to Pythagoras theorem, A square plus 6 square should be equal to 9 square. Let's see, 6 square is 36, 9 square is 81. So A square should be 81 minus 36, which is 45. Therefore, A is equal to under root 45, or you may say 3 root 5 meter. Always take care of the units. Here all the sides are in meters, so answer should be in meters. Don't forget to write the units, else your marks will be deducted. Okay, let's see at question 4. Here hypotenuse is 12 meter. One side is Q and the other is 10 meter. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what you can write is, quickly we'll find the value of Q. Therefore, Q is going to be under root 44, or you can say 2 root 11 meter. So we have one more type of question here based on right angle triangles. Let us see that also quickly. Where we have given angle Y as 46 degree and we have to find angle X. Okay, so you must have learned by angle sum property of a triangle. What is angle sum property of a triangle? Say, it says that sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Here we can see one angle is 90 degree given and the other two angles are X and Y. So using angle sum property of triangle, 90 degree plus X degree plus Y degree must be equal to 180 degree, which means X degree plus Y degree is equal to 90 degree. As we are given angle Y is equal to 46 degree, I am going to put that here. This means X is equal to 44 degree. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet again for a new concept.